Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Harish. Very good, Nana. You are waiting for class. Very good. Very good. That's the sportiness of the student. Good.
Thank
What
you,
about
ma'am.
others? Nana.
Don't know, ma'am.
Harish, first chapter we completed, right? Can we go
Yes,
with
ma'am.
competency-based questions, or else shall we move to the second chapter?
We'll do. Okay, ma'am. Next chapter.
Next chapter, because once it is completed, one textbook was done, means then we will go step by step like revision. The competency based questions material also available. I checked other day you're asking, then I saw in my drive, because last year SAR was uploaded in drives
No,
too.
ma'am. I was not asking.
Uh-huh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sriram.
Next chapter, ma'am. Next chapter.
The second, linear equations in one variable we will do, or else let me come everyone so that we can.
Okay, ma'am.
Today, due to sudden rain, there was maybe fluctuation of the current also, children. We are doing right now, its power is there. We will hope let it be, won't disturb the class. It's too hot and it's raining.
Yes, ma'am. It's raining here also.
Yeah, I don't know about your place, but in my place, it's raining, children. My township was plenty of trees.
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
Near BHEL township. Do you heard BHEL?
I don't know, ma'am.
Yeah. The complete greenery, children. We have a complete greenery here. So rain and lots of wind came in, so more trees will fall on electrical lines, so that the disturbance in power too. Children, what I said, we have to check in drive also, right?
Ma'am, which drive, ma'am?
No. Hari Karthik, did Hari Karthik join? Hari Karthik, can we move to directly with the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
So that the competency questions, once this was done, we can
No problem. We can move.
we can go with first chapters. Then I thought I asked Sir to upload the part. Anish, please join the class if you have. Yeah, you have. You please check it. I did not check today. All right, children. Let me go with what is our second chapter, children? And you noticed clear. What is our chapter 2?
Linear equation, ma'am, with one variable.
Linear equation in one variable. What is the line? Linear means line, right? What is a linear line? What do you know about a line, children? Linear, the word, if you see the linear, there is a word you can see line. What do you know about line? Line. Just a minute, children. Hello, hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. ఎవరు కావాలన్నా కాదు నాన్న రైట్ No, I don't know your call. Anish, please, Dad called 10 minutes before. We please once reply to that. I don't know why. I have class. We go to join your class first. Sorry, children. Sorry, it's my question. Okay, right. See, children, it's linear equations. Linear, the word line is there here. If you see here, line. Line means, what do you know about line?
Ma'am, something connecting to points.
Very good. Something connecting to points. Line is straight. Do you find anywhere line is straight? Maybe
Ma'am,
line
it's
is also
both
curve,
sides.
right? Any curve, can we call it as a curve also line?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. What is line? Suppose any 2 points A, B is there. How we can define line, children?
Which passes through 2 points.
Only 2 points?
We can pass an infinite number of points, ma'am. And
Very good. We
extends
can
it
pass
infinite.
yes, we can extend endlessly. Very good.
But
So linear, yeah, linear equations in one variable. So we are discussing in our previous class, the connecting topic is, what is our connecting topic to this chapter, children? Simple algebra. Did you heard about algebra? The words algebraic
Yes, ma'am.
expressions and
Ma'am.
yeah, simple equations.
Yes, ma'am. Simple equations and linear equations.
Oh, linear equations also you heard. Okay.
Yes.
But linear equations in one variable.
Yeah.
That's more interesting. Yeah. Linear means the degree of a variable is 1, children. Please remember that's more important. What is linear equation in one variable? Linear equations may be 2 variables, but linear equations in one variable we are discussing in our class 8. Linear means the degree of the variable, the highest degree of the variable should be equal to 1. Let me go with a few questions. See some examples. Yeah, hurry, please.
what is degree?
Degree, very good question asked by the child. Degree is the word power or exponent of variable.
Okay, ma'am.
Power or exponent of variable.
Okay.
Suppose the highest degree means highest power of the
Power
variable.
of the
Yeah,
variable.
that's all. Very good. Coming to, there are few examples given, children. Listen, the concept is very important, children. Other day also, the only basic question is tested. Which of the following is linear equations? They gave 4 equations. You need to identify which of the following is a linear equation. That's the question. Where it is tested, maybe somewhere in your FIG exam, I heard. I saw the question, children. No. Algebraic expressions in one variable. There are few expressions here. 5x. 5x is the first expression. What is the variable there, children?
X.
X. What is the coefficient of x?
5.
5. So how many terms does it having 5x?
1.
1 term. Can we call it as a monomial?
Yes, ma'am.
And x coefficient is?
What, ma'am?
X coefficient
Of X, 5.
X coefficient is 5.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the degree of x here?
1.
Very good. Nothing is there means we can write
1.
it as 1. Degree means, now can we call it this as a linear
Monomial.
equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Linear expression, can we call it as a linear expression?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Because equation, again we need to have equality sign. Equation, once again, happening equality sign, but these are the expressions. The expressions doesn't have an equality sign. Now coming to the second example, 2x minus 3.
It is
Hari,
binomial, ma'am.
Ah,
Binomial.
Hari, binomial, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Binomial. Because
We
Hari,
have
what is-
binomial is the way terms are
It has
like
two
we have
terms.
two terms.
yeah, binomial having
Two
two
terms.
terms.
Two terms.
What are those two terms in this expression?
2x
2x
and negative
and
3.
minus 3.
Minus 3. Which is the variable term here?
2x.
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 What is the constant term?
2.
2.
Constant term I'm
Okay,
asking.
minus 3.
Negative
ma'am.
3.
Negative 3.
Why all are? I'm asking what is the coefficient of x here?
2.
2.
2.
What is the degree of the polynomial or
One.
binomial?
1.
1. 1. See children, this is also a polynomial, but specifically this is having two terms. That's why we call it as a
Binomial.
binomial, but degree of this polynomial is 1. Coming to third example.
Also, monomial is not a
Only
polynomial, right?
Hari.
Monomial is not a polynomial, right?
Why? Monomial is also polynomial.
Okay.
One or more terms. General word we are using polynomial.
Okay. ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
General, that's a general word.
Ma'am, like an example, 2x plus 5x. That is not
2x
a
plus
binomial,
5x.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. That's a monomial. It's not a binomial. 2x plus 5x is
7x, ma'am.
very good. It's a because there is a like terms.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
definition, that's like terms. That's also you need to consider, children. Coming to the third example, what is the third expression given in our textbook?
3x plus y.
3x plus
Page
y.
number, ma'am.
3x plus y.
3x plus y. How many terms we have?
Two terms.
ma'am.
2 terms.
2 terms, ma'am.
Is it variable terms or
Binomial.
constant terms?
Variable terms,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
variable terms, ma'am.
Both are like variable or unlike variables?
Unlike variables.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
unlike variables.
What is the name of the polynomial here?
Binomial.
Binomial.
Nominal.
Binomial.
Binomial.
Suppose, can we call this equation as, expression as, this is an expression having only one variable?
No.
Yes.
Ma'am, why, ma'am?
No, why?
No.
Hari said
Okay,
no,
No, ma'am.
why?
Ma'am, because it
X
has
and Y.
x and y. There are two variables.
That's why,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
why this is also an expression. This is also a linear expression. Suppose the variable power is 1, variable here the power is 1. Of
One.
course, it is a linear equation, but it's not in one variable. It is in
Two variables.
right.
Two
Come on,
different
coming to the now coming to the next example. What are the terms in this expression?
Ma'am,
xyz plus x plus y plus z. So xyz, x, y and z.
Whose mic is that? Sorry to say, please unmute the mic immediately. Children, any indiscipline thing is happening in the classroom means immediately we have right to remove you. Mind the work, mind the business, do your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am, my sister came to my room.
Ma'am, shall we continue?
Yeah, just a minute, I'll be back. 2xy plus y.
5.
Yes.
It is
In
binomial.
the classroom, 1 minute, ma. Classroom, Hari, Ashwath, Harish, and Sriram. Okay. Right. There are, these are also, how many terms we have here?
2 terms. Binomial.
2 terms. 2 terms, binomial.
1 variable
What is
term.
variable is xy here, right? The
Yes, ma'am.
okay, term is a single term. But
Yes,
what is the degree of the polynomial, Hari, here?
What do you mean by
One,
degree
ma'am.
of polynomial, ma'am?
Exponent.
Ma'am, answer is
Hari.
1, no, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am, the answer 1.
Binomial.
What is the degree
Degree
of
of
the polynomial?
Binomial.
No, I'm asking degree. I'm
1,
asking
ma'am.
about
1, ma'am. 1.
who said
One.
one?
Harish, ma'am.
Harish. Suppose very good. Harish, no, it's wrong. Harish, why I'll let you know. Because this is the product. Here, one term is a product of XY variable. It's a XY term. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
See, can anyone answer the question, children? Hari Karthik, what is the degree of this term?
It's
2,
ma'am,
ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2.
Very good.
2, ma'am.
Very good. One.
Ma'am, because 2
One
variables
plus
are.
Okay, ma'am.
1 plus 1. This is
Two.
degree is nothing but 2.
2.
Is it a linear equation, children? Can we say this as a linear equation in one variable?
No, ma'am.
Oh, no. Very good. Same way you can go with the question number. Example. Next example to xyz plus x plus y plus z. This is
Polynomial.
also
Polynomial.
but it is not a
Polynomial.
linear expression, children.
Because
My-
there are different
No, the degree is 3.
degree of 3.
Linear expression means degree should be 1.
Okay, ma'am.
So here, what is here? It's also not a linear polynomial since it degree of x is 2, x square here. So degree is 2. So this is also not a linear polynomial. Coming to y plus y square. Is it a linear polynomial?
No, ma'am.
No. That's all. Some examples, equations you have to see. These are expressions are given. They may give few equations are given. 5x is equal to 25. So x is 5. 2x minus 3 equal to 9. So x value we can find out easily. And if you solve the other equation, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. These all we can by transposing methods or whatever balancing methods or any other methods, you can solve the value of the variable. Yes or no, children? Can we? Yeah, Hari. Hari, is it possible to?
What, ma'am?
These are the equations are given. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 equations are. Can we find the value of variable?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes, we can find. Now, you see.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please,
Yeah.
Hari.
When we told that xy is xy is not an equal, like xy doesn't have the power 1, right?
No, that's not a linear. Of course, it is a polynomial. It's not a linear polynomial.
Ma'am, how, ma'am?
See, Hari, what I said for linear polynomial. Hari,
Yeah.
Hari, what I said for linear polynomial, the degree should be
1.
degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial should be
1.
polynomial should be equal to
1.
One.
Ma'am, but
1.
how here is not, it is not equal to 1.
No, now you see this is 2xy plus 1. What is the degree of the polynomial here?
2.
Ma'am, will it? Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, how do x and y make 2?
2, ma'am.
That's variable. Here it's a product of these two numbers. Suppose it is separately,
No, ma'am,
it is
it would
having.
be, ma'am, x1 plus x to the power of 1 plus y to the power of 1 would be xy to the xy whole to the power of 1, right? No.
No, I'm asking about only to find out the degree. I'm not asking about directly. Only degree is 2x to the power y. Now, this is the product means you need to add this to find the degree means you need to add the exponents because it's a single term.
Okay.
xy to the power 2.
Different than exponents. Because
Suppose you see 2x, y, z and 5 is there. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am.
3.
What is the degree of the polynomial?
3, ma'am. 3.
Ma'am, but
3. Suppose the same thing 2xyz plus z cube, z to the power 5. What is the degree of this expression?
ma'am, 7.
8.
No, individual term, which is the highest one?
5.
5, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
5. 5
We
is the
need to
degree of
find
the
the
polynomial.
highest degree.
Ma'am, but
Yeah.
Ma'am, why did we do like that, ma'am? Because XYZ, it is the degree is 3.
Ma'am,
But this one is 5. How will it become 5?
ma'am, but if we are
Because-
multiplying numbers with the same exponents, then we don't add the exponents, right? We just multiply the numbers. We don't add the
No,
exponents.
that's a loss of exponents. You're going again, loss of exponents. Listen carefully. Degree definition is different. Loss of exponents are different. See, what I said, to find out the degree of the expression. To find degree of the expression. Degree of the expression. What we can do, we have to see the polynomial. Step 1, see the polynomial. Whatever the polynomial is given, see polynomial. Suppose the polynomial is 2x plus 1. What is the degree of this polynomial?
1.
1, ma'am.
1. 1. Why? Because we have only single variable. The power should be equal to
1.
1. 1. Suppose there is a polynomial 2x plus x square plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 7.
7, ma'am. Degree.
What is the degree of the polynomial?
7.
7, ma'am. Highest.
Ma'am, how will it
Highest
become?
power. In each
Highest
and
power.
every term you need to check, children, not a single term. Every term, the powers you have to check, the exponents you have to check. So in each and every term, which is the highest exponent
7,
here?
ma'am.
7. Suppose these all are one variables. So let me go with the linear equation with the two variables. Like xy plus y plus xy square. Now, what is the degree of the polynomial?
2.
2 or 4.
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. One student said 3.
3, ma'am.
Correct.
Ashwat, I told.
Ashwat, this is a degree of the polynomial is 3. Why? Because you have to check each and individual terms. Because this is the product. The product means
X has
obviously.
degree of 1, Y has a degree of 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3.
Here degree is 1 plus 1, which is 2.
2.
So here nothing is there means 1. Here what is the degree of this polynomial?
3.
1
3.
plus 2, which is 3. So
3.
this is a third degree polynomial. Third degree polynomial. Children, don't be feel so much stress. This you will learn little later in your senior class, but for your understanding purpose, I am helping. We have only linear equation in one variable. Coming to the exam, okay? There is a in-depth concept, step by step. If we move like that, we can not an issue. We'll learn first linear equation in single variable.
Okay, ma'am.
You would remember that equations use equality sign. It is missing in expressions. Yes, you see the above. What is the difference between these example? The above one and down one. Above one all are
Expressions.
the below one all are.
Equations.
Yes, algebraic expressions. Algebraic
Equations.
equations. Very good. That's all. Once the basic part is overing, then what we are going to do, children, see, for example, they gave one of the expression they gave as 2xy plus 5. Having two variables, we however restrict two expressions which have only one variable when we have form equations. So why? Because it's only one variable. We are not learning about equations with the two variables. We are going with only equations with one variable. The expressions we use to form equations are linear. This means that the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is
1.
1.
One.
That's linear appear. The highest power of the variable is nothing but the degree. Highest power of the variable is nothing but
One.
degree. That
Degree.
another name for that is degree. Degree should be 1 in linear equations. That is only way you're supposed to identify your linear equations.
That is linear equation.
Linear expression
Equation.
or linear equation. So
Okay,
equality sign is there means equation. If not there means it is an expression.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to, there are few linear expressions are mentioned here. You can see the above one are also expressions. These all are expressions only. But if you are in two variables, we are going with only one variable, linear equations with one variable. So 2x. What is the degree of 2x, children?
1, ma'am.
1. Can we call it as linear expression?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2x plus 1. What is the degree of a
1.
variable?
1, ma'am.
1.
It is
3y
an
minus
linear
7.
equation.
1.
1.
1. 12 minus 5z.
1.
1.
5 by 4x minus
1.
4 plus 10.
1.
So can we call all these are
1.
linear expressions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. They
ma'am.
are.
Yeah. These are not linear
No, ma'am.
expressions.
They are not linear expression.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I want?
Ma'am, why?
No,
Ma'am,
no. Why
because
they are not?
the powers are different.
Powers are not linear. They
Yes,
are
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The powers are not linear, but the bases are also same. Ma'am.
no,
The
that's
bases
all.
are
Only
same.
one example. One word is
Okay, ma'am.
these are not linear since the highest power of the variables are more
2 and
greater
3.
than 1.
3, ma'am.
Yeah,
Greater
3,
than
2,
1.
greater than 1.
Who greater
Here
than
we will deal with an equations with the linear expressions in one variables only. Such equations are known as linear equations in one variable. The simple equation which you can study in your earlier classes, simple equations. You have still remember the
Yes,
words
ma'am.
simple equation, one of the chapter
Yes,
to
ma'am.
us. In this chapter, main thing, children, what is the base point you need to remember? The highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable appearing in linear expressions is 1. That's the
Should be
very
only 1.
important point that you have to remember. So,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. An algebraic expression is an equality involving variables with equality sign. The expression on left side of the equality sign is LHS. Do you heard this word as
Yes,
LHS,
ma'am.
RHS?
Left hand side and
Ma'am,
right
left hand side and right hand side for RHS.
Yeah, left hand side of equality sign and right hand side of the equality sign.
Yes,
Then we
ma'am.
can call it
LHS is
as
equal to
LHS and
RHS.
RHS. So there is a exception. You see, children, 2x minus 3
Yes, ma'am.
equal to 7. Which is LHS here?
Ma'am, LHS 2x minus 3,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
2x minus 3 is LHS and 7 is
7
RHS.
is right. Now, in equations, the values of the expression on LHS and RHS are equal. That's why it is equality sign. This happens to be true only for certain values of variable. These values are the solutions of the equations. Suppose if you see the above example, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So what is the value of x? Which value you can substitute in place of x? The equation may be true.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3 is 7.
7.
So certain values of x, the equation is true. That is the point given in your second point. Solutions, certain values, it is true. How to find solutions of an equation? This is Where you see this, children? What is this?
Beam balance.
Balance.
Yes, balance. Where you are using?
It is used for checking weight.
Oh,
Vegetable.
you're checking for weight only. Balance is used. Do you agree with me? The balancing life is more important in our
Yes, ma'am.
day-to-day.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, it
why?
is.
Why you are agree with me?
Ma'am, because when we book the ticket to go to another place through aeroplane, ma'am, then if we fly, there is a limit weight. The if we actually have more weight in our luggage, then the airplane can't.
It doesn't allow you. It
Yes, ma'am,
doesn't
it
allow
doesn't
you.
allow you to fly.
Okay, that's you feel. Hari, why we should balance in our day-to-day life situations? If not, give your convey the statement or justify the statement.
Ma'am, what do we like by balancing? Do we mean
Ma'am,
Any
to make us
general-
easy to
general-
justify, ma'am. Like no,
Yeah,
without confusion.
any example you can take and justify because
Ma'am, like
we
for
are not.
example, if we go to any shop like or grocery store to buy anything, we calculate like
Ashwath, mute.
For example,
ma'am,
when
like you have 500 rupees. And
Ma'am, tell
your
Ashwath
mom
to mute.
Yeah, Ashwath, what is that noise when you're unmuting?
Ma'am, my cousin brother came, ma'am. That's why.
Hey, cousin brother, I'll come and beat you. Mind your
Ma'am,
business.
he's still a baby, ma'am. He's shouting, ma'am. That's the noise.
Ask him to go somewhere away. Because how he's disturbing, how you can focus? You cannot.
Ma'am, my
Yeah.
voice is clear only, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I can, but
Ma'am,
something
like,
background music is coming.
Ma'am, no. What music?
Something he did.
It's
Some
something
background
like
music.
scratching, bro. It's like scratching sound.
Oh, that on my laptop. Okay, ma'am. Like for example, our mother or someone, they give 100 rupees to go to grocery store and buy how many ever kgs of apple, tomato will come for 100 rupees. So if 1 kg of apple is 50 rupees, then you can get 2 kgs of apples. Like that, you can do balancing.
Balance. Okay, that's you are feeling like that. Hari, please justify your answer.
Ma'am, you can say about anything, right? Not about only maths.
Anything, general example,
Nature is
general
always
statement.
in balance, which is what we are living. For example, when wind comes, because wind should be balanced, air should be balanced and balanced everywhere. It flows from high pressure to low pressure, and also electricity. It flows from high potential to lower potential.
It should be balanced, okay? Any other
This is
way?
what things are moving.
Do you feel our emotions should be balanced in our day-to-day life, or else what happens?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do you agree with me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because if you are not balancing our emotions, what happens if mama is saying to stop mobile phone and come and read and come and study, or else go for walk or go for running? If such a words are telling, do you agree with your mama, or else you are not going to balance your things? Because parents know that the importance of the things, so they can make you balance. Try to listen and accept them and try to do the best.
Yes, ma'am.
Daily emotions also, children. Emotions should be.
Ma'am, can I tell
balanced
an
in
example
classroom.
like that only?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am,
Please,
if
because
we
this type
watch,
of questions also you can face in our future classes, because all the syllabus is reduced.
Ma'am,
Value-based questions are more important. Come on.
ma'am, for example, one person, he plays video games all the time. He doesn't study. He'll get less marks in his exams.
Okay.
And then if
Okay.
if a person he studies a lot, he will tend to
Okay.
play video games in the middle of class. So like that, parents, what they do is in the class they'll tell not to play games, but after the class they'll give some time to play game. After the end of the day, when every work, everything is done, they'll give time.
Yes, absolutely correct. And a few things, day-to-day life, children, in our day-to-day, many things in our homes, we should, in classrooms, what type of things you should balance? in classroom. We are going with some different mindsets, right? You are extremely good at something. Someone is extremely good at some other extremely. So how you can balance the things? Class teacher should be balanced all type of emotions, right? Yes or no? Or the subject teacher should be. Do you agree, children?
Yes.
Or
Yes,
else
ma'am.
we are going for arguments. What happening? There is no use in arguments too. Right. Maybe value-based questions, such a questions also you can try to be answered because other day I saw why charity is important. If you made some thing to help to others, what type of happiness you will get? Those are the questions given for class 10 too. Okay, fine. Then here it's a balance. Balance is very important in our day-to-day life. Not only mathematics, children. Everywhere we should balance happiness, pains, everything should be balanced. Once if you are a very if you're getting 100 out of 100, extremely you're happy, then you are neglecting in your studies. What happens in next term?
Ma'am will fail.
Decrease.
That's why you should be focus and balance the things. Play time, study time, enjoyment time, everything should be balanced. Don't be stick on to only one thing like mobile phones and laptops. So it should be everything should be balanced. That's my way to you can convey your answer like that to also children. And what other things? How to find the solutions of the equations using balancing method. How to find the solutions of an equations?
We need to find like terms and we need to add, ma'am. We need to add like terms.
Okay. Right. There is a method, children, different methods of solving simple equations. One is balancing method. Another one is transposition method. We are learning generally in class 7 transposition method. How balancing method also we can see. So when suppose the weight here I'm keeping 10 kgs left side. Suppose here x plus 7 kgs I'm keeping. What is the value of x to make the balance of these?
What, ma'am?
Suppose in my left side I'm taking
Five, ma'am.
no,
Five.
suppose left side I kept 10 kgs. In right side I kept x plus 7 kgs. What is the value of x? The equation, the
Three, ma'am.
balance should
Three,
be
ma'am.
balanced.
We need
3,
to add 3
3,
kgs more.
3. Because if you add 3 kgs to right side, it is balanced. If you
Balance.
add 4 kgs to right side, what happened? It won't be balanced, yes or no?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
won't be balanced. For
Balance.
certain values only it balances. How to find the solutions using balancing methods? We can go with our first exercise, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Directly, you do you feel which method is easy, children? Transposition method or
Transposition only, ma'am.
balance?
Balancing
Balancing
method,
method.
ma'am.
Both the
Only
methods I will
balancing.
teach children. Whichever the method you feel convenient, you can go with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Balancing method, if you practices, it takes very less time to solve the simple equations. Yeah,
Ma'am, can I
3x.
say that?
With the answers or solutions you can do easily, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the thing, methods you please learn the methods. 3x
Okay, ma'am.
equal to 2x
2x
plus
plus
18.
18. 3x, ma'am,
Yes.
3x is equal to 2x plus
1
18. Okay, ma'am.
just to give you a minute time. Yeah. I don't know why pen is not working. 1 minute. Yeah, children, just a minute. My pen is not working. I don't know, connectivity is a minute. Or else we'll go. Come on, children, please start. Try to start doing your sums and give on chart box, children.
Okay,
I'll help
ma'am.
you little later. The part of
Ma'am, can you show questions, ma'am?
1 minute only. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And we should do this one, right, ma'am?
Hello. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
answer
Yes.
one and
Yeah.
answer
You
the
can
first one?
through chart, children, so that I can see your solution part.
Okay,
What are
ma'am.
the steps you are doing?
Ma'am, I can do
Through
it, but
chart
I
box.
won't be able to send it in the chart, ma'am, because my keyboard is so far away and I can't keep my book and keyboard at the same time.
Or else do in book and just send it one pic directly, right? You try whatever the way you can possible way, but the trusting is honest is on you. If you want to, you can do anyway. If you're not, no need of showing for me, Hari Karthik, you can do it. I know the student. 1 minute. My pen is not working suddenly. I don't know why.
Okay, ma'am.
Anish, iPad only not getting connectivity. If I'm seeing there is no blinking light here.
Ma'am, there will be in your settings, there will be devices, ma'am. In that, if your tabs or this writing one is connected, then you can do.
Yeah, just a minute. I'm trying.
Ma'am, in the second question, the both t's are same variable, but they should have
No,
same
left
value.
side all the time you have to bring the left part, children. Left side you can. There is no connectivity. See, you cannot write. See. No, don't press it. Just now also previous class I thought, but this class I did not touch. So this class. You start doing, children.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
connect. Start doing. It is starting. Maybe it's True. It's not easy. First.
That way
Battery. Like that, suddenly it happens. Mouse point, please connect. Can you please connect mouse?
Ma'am, can you show fourth one, ma'am? Question.
1 minute, I'm sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Just.
Ma'am, is there any thunderstorms near you, ma'am?
Ma'am, I did not understand the second bit.
Second bit, you have to take all t's to left side. 5t, left side 3t. If you transpose to left side, what happens? It becomes minus 3t.
Minus 3t.
Yeah.
Ma'am?
5t minus 3t.
2t, ma'am.
Yes, 2t. Then
Is
this
equal minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. 2t is equal minus 2. T is equal minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. T is equal.
Very good. That's all. That's all. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Anish. Thank you. I got it. Thank you so much for my.
Okay.
Right, children. Right. See, I can help you once who are not getting. First bit 3x equal to 2x plus 18. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So you can all the time left side try to get your variables, children. Try to
Okay,
get
ma'am.
left side variables, right side constants. So
Constant.
3x is left side, 2x is right side. This is LHS, this is RHS.
RHS.
So if you transpose to this side, plus becomes minus.
Minus.
Plus 2x becomes minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
So right side already you have 18. You can
Is equal to
keep it
18.
as settings.
X is
Now
equal
3
to 18.
minus 3 minus 3 minus 2x is equal to
18.
1. 1x is
Okay.
x is 8.
18.
Right? The second bit 5t minus is equal to
is equal to
3t
3t minus 5.
minus 5. Very good.
5.
See, we can rearrange any time, children, left to right. All LHS, right, left side part, you can try to get your variables, and right part, you try to send your variable constants.
Okay, ma'am.
Now 5t minus 3t.
3t
Right
is
side
equal
already
minus 5
5
plus 3
yeah. So 5 minus 3.
minus 3 bracket
5 minus 3
t
is
is equal to
minus 2.
minus
Which is
2 or 2
equal to minus 2.
2.
T is
T
equal to minus 2.
2 by 2, which is minus 1.
Right. T is equal to minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, Ashwath, did you understood, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am, I understand, ma'am. Thank you for telling.
Right. It's the same method you can. Transposition. Try to get your left part all the variables. Come on, start doing, children. If anybody is difficult, please let me know so that I will solve such a bit. These are very simple equations. One of our student, Hari Karthik, gave for 3-bit answers. All three are first, second. Not Hari, Harish.
Yes, ma'am, Harish.
I'm unable to access the chat, ma'am.
Yeah, you can through chat also, you can send.
No, ma'am, actually,
Ma'am, even
I'm
me,
unable
ma'am,
to access it.
Oh, chat? Why, Sriram?
Don't know, ma'am, it's not opening. I'll leave the meeting and I'll join back, ma'am. 1 minute.
Please,
Ma'am,
maybe
can
some.
we do 4 to 1, ma'am?
Yeah, please, fourth one, okay. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z,
Plus
right?
2z.
Okay. What is the question, ma?
4z minus
4z plus
plus 3, sorry, ma'am. Plus 3.
4z plus 3 is equal to
6 plus 2z.
6 plus 2z.
2z.
So anything, this is RHS, this is LHS. So LHS 4z is
4z minus
plus 2z. Plus 2z if I transpose to this
minus
side.
2z.
ma'am, can you show the textbook again?
Yeah.
Six.
Now
Third question I want to
RHS I have 6.
6
This
minus 3.
LHS minus 3. 4 minus 2 is 2z.
2z
Is equal to
3.
So 2z means 2 multiplied with z.
Yes, ma'am.
If you transpose
Little bit wide.
multiplication others, It comes under division.
3
3
by
by.
2.
That's
3
all.
by,
If Z is equal 3 by 2 now, ma'am.
Yeah, 3 by 2. Z equal to 3 by 2.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
You can recheck also by placing
Yes,
Z
ma'am.
value. Recheck.
To me not getting.
You see somewhere a silly mistake. So that you can correct.
What does the
Yeah,
distributive property? What does distributive property of multiplication apply over subtraction?
Yes, good.
distributive multiplication over subtraction. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why we are using A into B minus A into C can be written as A bracket B minus C.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Fifth bit, can I help you? Fifth bit?
Fifth bit, ma'am.
Which bit you feel difficult? Please let me know so that bit only will do. Rest of the bits you have to start doing.
Okay, ma'am.
You know, fraction simplification, decimal simplification, everything.
But division is.
I'll help you. Not whichever bit you are facing
But I
difficulty,
know,
I'll help
ma'am,
you.
but of fractions, I don't know.
Try it. Fraction from fraction, I'll help you. Sixth
Okay,
bit,
ma'am.
do you find sixth bit also distributive property?
Ma'am,
So
sixth
3x.
one.
That's why Hari is asking a distributive property can we apply 3x minus 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Bracket. Fifth, what is the answer for fifth bit, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Doing, ma'am.
X 15. X is equal to 15 by 5, I think.
Ma'am, x is equal 0, ma'am. I
5,
got 0
5.
by 5.
Which question? Which question you got?
Sixth one, ma'am.
Sixth one, I did not check. 1 minute, I'll check. 3x, 8 minus 3x is 5x. So then minus 3 is 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 3, 4, 4 plus 4. Yeah, 0, 0 by any number,
Okay,
0
ma'am.
only. Correct. You're correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Can you try seventh also? What is the fifth bit answer?
Ma'am, fifth bit answer. Forward or not to do.
You are
1
doing
minute,
in notebook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you? Then open back and you can see and tell.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, fifth bit answer 5, ma'am.
Correct.
Right. Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
seventh one, try it. Seventh one, children. Can I help you? Seventh bit. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. X equal to 4 by 5 into. What is x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. This we can do in different methods, children. This denominator is here. If you transpose to this, you send to the other side, it becomes division 5 becomes
Ma'am, answer
multiplication
is
5x.
40, ma'am. Seventh one, 40.
Let me check. 5x
Yes, ma'am,
is
40.
equal to 4x plus 40. Yeah, correct. Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
5x minus 4x is 40. X is 40. This is one way. Or another way is tough. There are multiple ways, children. Multiple 4 by 5 into
5
x plus 4 by 5 into 10. So this, if I'm transposing left side, all 4 by 5 into x. Right side, number 5 ones are 5 twos are 4 twos are 8. Now nothing is there means 1. 1 minus 4 by 5 into x. Generally, we are subtracting the coefficients, right? So this, if I'm going cross multiplication, 5 by 4 by 5 into x is equal to 8. So 1 by 5 into x is equal to 8. I want x. So this is this fraction, if you send to other side, it becomes reciprocal. 5 by 1, 8 5s are 40. 40 by 1 is 40.
X to 5.
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, can we leave the class at 8?
Which one, ma?
Can we leave the class at 8:03?
Oh, it's already 8. Okay, right, children. We'll connect with the next class with this type of fractions.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Right, children. Bye.
Ma'am.